In this example, we have two statements about the expressions y and x. So the first one is that the square root of y to the power of 4 is equal to the fifth root of x. And the second statement is that y is equal to the nth root of x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the first statement using indices instead of roots. So we know that a square root is the same as to the power of a half. So I can actually write this as y to the power of 4 to the power of a half. And then my fifth root I can write as to the power of 1/5. Now I'm going to use my index rules and just simplify the left-hand side. So I've got a power to a power, so I'm going to multiply the powers. So this is going to give me 4 times a half, which is 2. So this is going to leave me y squared is equal to x to the fifth. Now, in order to be able to find what m is, I need to write this equation so it looks quite similar to the one in the second statement. So I need to get rid of the squared on the y and just leave y. Now to do this, I need to square root. So I can write this as the square root of x to the fifth, but I could also use my indices and write this to the power of a half. And this is going to be a lot easier to simplify. So once again, I've got a power to a power, so I'm going to multiply those powers. So y is equal to x to the 10th, because 1/5 times 1/2 is 1/10. Now I can write this using a root, so I'm able to compare. So y equals x to the 10th is the same as the 10th root of x. And we're now in the same format as my second statement, and I can see that m must be equal to 10.